Hi guys, so quick update guys. This is an update for those who are applying non-immigrant and immigrant visa to the US. There is a US Embassy consular update. So the update is that there will be a two separate appointment you need to do. So the visa application center right now, it's located at Diosdado Macapagal, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. So starting on September 28, 2004, you need to apply a separate appointment for that, for visa, for your interview schedule, and for finger scanning and photo. You need to apply online separately. So medyo na doble ang ating mga gagawin if you're planning to apply. But if you already applied before September 28, you are not affected to this update. So, ito yung bagong update nila guys. You need to apply online separately for those like interview schedule and finger scanning and photo. So, the new visa application center right now, it's located at Parañaque. Just visit the US Travel Docs so that you will know more about it if you're planning to apply this September. So, the update will be starting on September 28. So, good luck guys. Yun lang. Sharing it's caring. That's why yeah. Good luck. Bye. Yun lang.